Hello again and welcome to another tax tutorial. In this example we are going to export one of our existing tax rates so that we can then build up our import file and import back the tax rates. As you can see here, we have only Sweden to Sweden and we don't have any tax rules yet. So I'm going to go to System, then Data Transfer, and then Import Export Tax Rates. I will then click the Export button, and this will then open up this pop-up. I'm using OpenOffice in this case, and I have character set to UTF-8. And I will open this file, and we see here that we have Sweden to Sweden. I can then duplicate this row and create the same one for Denmark and change the country to DK, and then I can repeat this for all of the other countries in the European Union, which is the import file that we want to import. Actually, I have found an online list here with a couple of countries for the European Union. This is for 2013, but in my example this is quite good enough. So based on this file, I have created my end file here that I'm going to import. So here I have Sweden to Denmark. Please note that I don't have Sweden to Sweden as we have here, because this one already exists in Magento admin. And then I have all of the remaining countries. So this is actually the file that I want to import, and the columns that I need are this one from A to H. So the last column is range 2. When you export the file, you will get these columns as well. Simply remove them. Alright, so let's see what happens if I import this file. So I will go back to Magento admin. I will close these tabs, and still under System and Import Export Tax Rates, I will then choose the file from my desktop, which is this one, and will push the import button. Now if I go to Stores and Tax Zones and Rates, we see all of our rates here, nice and clean, and I can now continue with my tax rules. So like we did in the previous example, in the previous video tutorial, I'm going to add a new tax rule, and I will call this one Sweden to European Union. And I'm then going to select all of my tax rates like this. If we would want to modify anything, we could simply go into one of these and change them here. Or we could import them again using the import file. Alright, just a couple of more to go, and that's it. I'm going to keep additional settings to retail customer as a customer tax class and taxable goods for my product tax class. If I now save the rule, we see that we have this tax rule for all of these tax rates that we have previously imported. And now if I go to the front end, just to verify that everything works as it should, I will go to my Swedish store and I will add a product to the cart, just to verify that everything looks like it should do. So adding this product to the cart now, I will continue to the cart where I can actually see the tax. We see here that we do implement our 25% tax rate. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to pay your taxes. Bye bye!